I'm so happy to see these tiger lilies greening up that I put in there. They had sprouted a little bit more in the bag than I expected, and they're all starting to look amazing. There are 2 varieties in each one. I have yet to decide where these pots are going to go, but it's already starting to look great. This is a lemon variegated thyme, and a couple of the marigolds are bouncing back. Some look better than others. I might hear thunder rolling in. We are supposed to get a storm, so we'll see. Here's one of the strawberries looking amazing. And here's the carrots poking out that I sowed. I snuck carrot seeds in so many of these. Here's a calendula with a carrot growing, because why not? How serendipitous that I mentioned in the first video, trying to grow these before they go to seed. So that's what these stalks are. They're sending up flower stalks to grow flowers, and then ultimately seeds to reproduce. And radishes are usually, or they are, a cool season crop, and I was just trying my hand at growing them. A little bit late in the spring even, so I'm impressed that they held out this long. These beets are actually bouncing back less than I expected. I think they were overcrowded for too long with those radishes in there, and then with I think the aphids that were on there. I just didn't serve these very well, and they are not bouncing back along with the warmer weather because they too are cool season crops. Just wasn't the right time, and I'm happy to have learned a lot. Check out this incredible leaf on this variegated mint. It's completely white. I've seen this in houseplants, and I think the rest of the plant is able to support that, but I wonder for how long. It's so beautiful. I expect to have to pinch it off. This one isn't bushing out as much as I thought. So we'll see how it grows. And this marigold also not doing so well. But for less than a quarter, I gave it a shot. Same with the marigolds. You see the kale is looking lovely, and this one is not looking so lovely, this marigold in the middle. But we are going to remove this spent flower that is putting its energy into creating seeds so that it will continue to create new blossoms coming in. Need to prune some of these spent blooms so that we continue to get new ones coming up. Got some new growth coming in on the mulberry. So we've been working more on filling up the second bed. Finally, I was able to get it put together over a couple days on nap time, and I remembered to do the cardboard, which is amazing. And we are clearing out the debris at the base of our white oak trees. We have a couple of really old big trees, and I forgot to mention that this stuff has been sitting for several years, so it's very well rotted and it holds water well. It's very fragile and just breaks immediately. I am noticing a lot of bugs, some ants, so I'm hoping that won't be an issue. And all of this leaf mold and natural leaf compost, I'm just excited to add in the bed, and I hope that overall it will be beneficial and not a problem. Good girl, Leah. Here's the first garden bed, doing great. It was stormy the last day or so, so it just looks kind of soggy on there. That might be what it looks like throughout the season. Who knows? But I'm excited, getting ready to plant these out. Getting really excited for this bed. The leaves look so great. So many great branches, decomposed. So exciting. Look how covered in lichen this is.